Good afternoon. Today we will learn how to draw with an easy method, how to draw an isometric projection or perspective. In isometric projection, there are three axes like this, and the angle between each pair of axes is 120 degrees. It's quite easy to do this on a notebook with squared sheets. If we must do a vertical axis, we just draw it on a vertical line. If we must do the x-axis, we count 2 squares to the right, 1 square, 2 squares to the right, 1 square, down, 2 squares, 1 square. And if we must do the epsilon axis, 2 squares to the left, 1 square down, 2 squares left, 1 square down, 2 squares left, 1 square down. Just do it, something like this. So if we must draw a figure, we use this technique. So I will start in this point. This point, let's say it's here. And now I will draw this line. This line is the x-axis. 2 squares right, 1 square down, 2 squares, 1 square, and with the same technique, I draw a long line. This is this. And now I will draw this. Easy. Just a vertical line. And now this, the same on the other side. And now this, well, with the same technique, I draw this. I draw this vertical line. I will do this here, more or less. I do this, so and I do this, 2, 1, 2, 1. I do this. Now I do this, 2, 1. Well, and now I will do this line. This line is this axis. This one. 2, 1. Something like this. In a similar way we do this. It's the same axis. I do this. This one is the x-axis. I do this. This is a vertical axis. I do this, it's this axis. And now I can do this. This is this axis. And this and this are this axis. And this, same. And now this is the same axis. And now this. And that's it. Every time you must draw a line, you think which of the three axes is the good one, and you just make it. If it's a vertical axis, it's a vertical line, you just draw it following the vertical lines. Quite easy. If it's this axis, you count 2 squares left, 1 square down, 2 left, 1 down, all the time the same. And 2 squares right, 1 down, right down, all the time the same. That's how it works.